स्टूडेंट्स, मैं उमर राठौर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, गवर्नमेंट डूंगर कॉलेज बीकानेर। आज हम कंप्यूटेशनल केमिस्ट्री एमएससी फाइनल में पेपर 9th बी में यूनिट 4 में बॉन्ड ओपेनहाइमर अप्रोक्सीमेशन की स्टडी करेंगे। इन क्वांटम केमिस्ट्री एंड मॉलिक्यूलर फिजिक्स, द बॉन्ड ओपेनहाइमर अप्रोक्सीमेशन इज द बेस्ट known mathematical approximation in molecular dynamics. Especially, it is the assumption that the motion of atomic nuclei and electrons in a molecule can be treated separately based on the fact and the nuclei are much heavier than the electrons. The approach is named after Max Born and J. Robert Oppenheimer, who proposed it in 1927 in the early period of quantum mechanics. The approximation is widely used in quantum chemistry to speed up the computation of molecular wave functions and other properties for longer molecules. These are cases where the assumption of separable motion no longer holds, which make the approximation lose validity. It is said to break down, but is then often used as a starting point for more refined method. In molecular spectroscopy, using the Biot approximation means considering molecular energy as a sum of independent terms. टोटल जो E है, एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एनर्जी प्लस वाइब्रेशनल एनर्जी plus rotational energy plus nuclear spin. Three terms are of different order of magnitude and the nuclear spin energy is so small that it is often omitted. The electronic energies E electronic consist of kinetic energies, in inter-electronic repulsion, nuclear repulsions and electron-nuclear attraction, which are the terms typically included when computing the electronic structure of molecules. Example: benzene molecule consists of 12 nuclei and 42 electrons. The Schrödinger equation, which must be solved to obtain the energy level and wave function of this molecule, is a partial differential engine value equation in the three-dimensional coordinates of the nuclei and electrons, giving 36 nuclear plus 126 electronic plus 162 variable for the wave function. The computational complexity, that is computational power required to solve an engine equation, increase faster than the square of the number of coordinates. When applying the Biot approximation, two smaller consecutive steps can be used for a given position of the nuclei. The electronic Schrödinger equation is solved while treating the nuclei as stationary. This corresponding engine value problem then consists only of 126 electronic coordinates. This electronic computation is then repeated for other possible positions of the nuclei, deformations of the molecule. For benzene, this cloud be done using grid of 36 possible nuclear position coordinates. The electronic energies on this grid are then uh, connected to give a potential energy surface for the nuclear. This potential is then used for a second Schrodinger equation containing only the 36 coordinates of nuclei. So, taking the most optimistic estimate for the complexity instead of a large equation requiring least 162 square is equal to 26244, hypothetical calculation step is a series of smaller calculation requiring 126 square n is equal to 15876 n. When applying the BO approximation to smaller consecutive step can be and a very small calculation requiring 36 square is equal to 1296 step can be performed in practice. The scaling of the problem is larger than n square and the more approximations are applied in computational chemistry. So further reduce the number of variables on dimensions. The slope of the potential energy surface can be used to stimulate molecular dynamic, using it to express the mean force on the nuclei caused by electrons and thereby skipping the calculations of nuclear Schrodinger equation. BO approximation recognize the large difference between the electron mass and the masses of atomic nuclei and correspondingly the time scale of their motion. Give the same amount of kinetic energy, the nuclei move much more slowly and than the electrons. In mathematical terms, BO approximation consists of expressing the wave function psi total of a molecule as the product of an electronic wave function and a nuclear vibrational rotational wave function. Psi total is equal to psi electronics psi nuclear. This enables a separation of the Hamiltonian operator into electronic and nuclear term, where cross term between electrons and nuclei are neglected, so that the two smaller and decoupled system can be solved more efficiently. In the first step, the nuclear kinetic energy is neglected, that is the corresponding operator Tn is subtracted from the total molecular Hamiltonian. In the remaining electronic in the step first, the nuclear kinetic energy is neglected. In the remaining electronic Hamiltonian achieve the nuclear position are no longer variable but are constant parameters. The electron nucleus interaction are not removed, that is the electron till fill the Coulomb's potential of the nuclei clamped at the certain position in space. अब है द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक श्रोडिंगर इक्वेशन. एक्चुअली बॉन्ड जो ये अप्रोक्सीमेशन है हैमियर का, और इसमें हमारे पास अणुओं की एनर्जी और मॉलिक्यूलर तथा एटॉमिक स्पेक्ट्रम की उत्पत्ति को व्यक्त किया जाता है. किसी मॉलिक्यूल की जो टोटल एनर्जी है उसकी समस्त जितनी भी टाइप की एनर्जीज के एडिशन के इक्वल होती है. जैसे ई टोटल इज इक्वल टू ट्रांजिशनल, रोटेशनल, वाइब्रेशन और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, इन सबकी बराबर होती है. अब दो या अधिक एटम मिलकर मॉलिक्यूल का निर्माण करते हैं. इस प्रकार बने हुए मॉलिक्यूल की जो एनर्जी यदि अभी भी एटम की एनर्जी से योग से कम है तब वो मॉलिक्यूल स्टेबल होता है. लेकिन जो मॉलिक्यूल्स की एनर्जी हाई होने पर वह अनस्टेबल हो जाता है. इनकी एनर्जी का परिकलन क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स के बेसिस पर करना संभव है, लेकिन ये कैलकुलेशन अत्यंत ही जटिल है. कंप्यूटर के द्वारा दी गई वेव फंक्शन की कैलकुलेशन काफ़ी हद तक सही है और बिलीवेबल है और एकदम जो परफेक्ट है वो इन्फॉर्मेशन देती है. अब जो है द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक श्रोडिंगर इक्वेशन में हम इसे इस प्रकार लिखेंगे HER स्मॉल r कैपिटल R G. ये जो इक्वेशन दी हुई है ऊपर, इसमें इट्स सॉल्व अप्रोक्सीमेटली. द quantity R stand for the electronic coordinates and the capital R for all nuclear coordinates. The electronic energy engine value EE depend on the chosen position R of nuclei. Varying these position are in small step and repeatedly solving the electron, nuclear, vibrational and overall rotation and transition of molecule. ये जो अब because of this procedure of varying these position are in a small step and repeatedly solving the electronic Schrodinger equation, one obtains EE as a function of R. This is the potential energy surface. Because the procedure of recomputing the electronic wave function as a function of an infinitesimally the changing nuclear geometry is reminiscent on the condition of the diabatic theorems. This manner of obtaining as a PES यानी potential energy surface is often referred to as the adiabatic approximations, and the PES itself is called adiabatic surface. तो ये जो एक सेकंड स्टेप होता है उसमें क्या इक्वेशन है, Tn प्लस ई यानी कैपिटल ई उसके नीचे स्मॉल ई ब्रैकेट में स्मॉल कैपिटल आर ब्रैकेट बंद साई फाई फिर कैपिटल R is equal to capital E for capital R is solved. This second step of approximation involves separation of vibrational, transitional and rotational motion. This can be achieved by application of the Eckart condition. The engine values E is the total energy of the molecule, including contribution from electrons, nuclear vibration, and overall rotation and transition of the molecule. In according with the Hellman-Feynman theorem, the nuclear potential is taken to be an average over electron configurations of the sum of the electron, nuclear and internuclear electric potentials. These are some references. Thank you. Have a nice day.